So today we're visiting Fengarola Market. And there's Claire. And Dai.
We're eating nuts.
Bad food.
Look at those.
That's Savna. Oh, more sweets and stuff.
It's the same. Look, you see the same like you just got.
How much is it? Here are the kiddies. Some stupid whistle annoying everyone. Yeah, these are more exercise like it's, aren't they?
Look, they got night ones. Oh, big, that's right.
These are nice.
The night ones are nice. I like their bells.
They always stop here and make you get lots of
Yeah, no.
Whenever stop here, nobody will stop.
Yeah, see, we stopped. Everybody buying. See? Everybody buying.
You should get one free, shouldn't you?
Exactly.
Well done. Good. There you go. Pass it over then.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias.
See, we bring luck. Bring enough sale.
Thank you.
I need lemon. I need lemon.
She did.
Lemon, let me show you how they vlog.
They do it like this.
You hold it and vlog.
They get up close like.
Alright, you go. Professional vlogger. And I got my camera.
Never. This is how they vlog. They get up close like.
I'll show you a bit they do this. They do this. Where's the lemon? I want two lemon. Come on now. And then they go back to the stop.
Allah, look at that dog.
German Shepherd.
You were the talking.
Nice how they tie up like that.
Nice, so you don't know no man else to buy them damn carrot. Same got lemon over there.
¿Y esto?
€1
¿Te queda el
lemon.
último? ¿Aquí?
I'm a want onion. Ah, that turn it round now. Ah, that works. Onion and lemon. Should we get the tomato?
And then
One onion. Yeah. But now, they sell it.
one tomato or one.
Just say you
I
want.
guess it's because it comes in like a kilo, like one.
Dame otro marrón.
Yeah, that one looks nice. The camera quality on this is actually amazing.
When we go back, are we swimming?
Yeah, we'll have a nice swim and enjoy our time. That look good. Oh, that's annoying. Look at that. Oh my god. What are you laughing for?
Y le íbamos a comprar uno.
You got Liana. Savannah. Press lemon. Press lemon. Okay. Onion uno. Wait, English. One more.
Zaki, we need you. We need you. Just use Zaki. Zaki knows good Spanish.
What are they saying?
No, you've got to sit.
Him was serving. Him.
It's alright, he's done it.
He done it.
¿Ahora no quiere?
Yeah. Onion now. Uno.
No.
Uno nomás. What you say? Oh, how you say onion?
He's saying one more, one less.
Onion.
One onion.
No. Next one.
Onion. How do you say onion in Spanish?
Here.
How do you say?
Nueras.
But no
How do you say onion in Spanish? We need
one beside it. That.
1 kilo, 2 kilos, 3 kilos.
Cuatro.
Una más.
We are trying.
Eso coméis con 2 cebollas y 2 limones. 40 céntimos. Sí, tú grábalo que esto va para... Yes.
You're meant to film him when he's doing that.
Alright, when I not come to England, I don't speak English to us. I don't say I'm funny.
Dos, cuatro.
We English. Gracias.
Nosotros España.
Gracias. No, come on. We're done.
Right, go on now.
That way.
Hold it up.
Savannah, you're part of the family. Come here. I proudly get to call you Savannah because I'm the loyal cousin. There's Zach. Liana. Hey, where's the other family? Hey, we're proper vlogging. I'm feeling myself in this camera. I'm gonna start becoming a YouTuber, make lovely vlogs that look so nice, that look beautiful. Hey, look at you, you look like a clown. You sideshow Bob in the building. Hey, don't talk back to me now. That's why I thought, pattern out.
They said we could make our way to the car, so...
So you don't have the key though. What'd you say? The camera caught you saying
I said
we caught you on camera.
I said
Ooh, you hear that, Whitney? We caught her on camera.
I said the insane, but I said it like
See that? This 10-year-old child swearing on a family vacation. This 10-year-old child swearing on a family vacation because of, hey, why you don't break Auntie's camera. See, look, she got us scared then. She was trying to take the camera. She got all scared. Hey, just because you got caught cussing. I love how Zan used to be like 6 inches taller than me. That's how it felt.
Yeah, but...
And Savannah used to be hella taller than me, but now look, I grew. Auntie, well, I'm returning your camera to you. I had fun vlogging the food. Carry this. I will. That's rubbish. So here we are. We just got back from Fengarola Street Market, one of the largest market we have ever been to. And we got some stuff like this strawberry was only €3. Now my sister is making noodle.
And look at this
We have
tomato.
eaten all morning. Come on, let's see that tomato again.
Wow, look at it. It's massive. It's kind of weird looking. But it's tomato. And look, some Jamaican cucumber.
I know, good proper cucumber.
Going swimming.
And here we have the queen of the crop, Princess Sav. What are you making, Sav, now? Coffee.
Noodles.
What are you making noodle?
Do you want me
So,
to bring
it's a
anything
noodle day.
from up there? Shall I bring some beans down?
What about the business?
But they must be hungry, that's
They
what I'm
must be
saying.
there. They haven't eaten the food. Do you want me
And
to...
we're going to cook some Jamaican food while we're in Spain. So we're going to cook some
Maybe I've got those super noodles. I might do the super
curry
noodles for them.
chicken, but we just got some fresh season at the market, like some dry
I'll
thymes,
just feel a bit.
some scallion and some onions and some garlic. Here we go.
You season
Because
the
we
chicken
don't
as
use a
well?
lot of powdered seasoning. No, we only have a little salt, black pepper, curry on there. And now we're gonna add some fresh spices. And I'm eating some rubbish, junk food is what I'm eating. Cheetos. Cheetos sticks. We haven't had breakfast all day and it's about 3 o'clock.
Yeah, let me go and make them some
Yeah?
noodles.
Bring them. We got some bread as well here. And they got cheese. So that, I don't know.
Let me put some bacon in the fridge and make them some.
I make them
Bacon in the
myself.
fridge in the oven.
Here, you guys take that to help towards some of the food.
Alright, be careful now. You're being recorded, okay?
Seasoning oil.
Yeah, I anybody do know one thing.
Because it's 2 different noodles.
So I'm gonna add my fresh spices to this thing now. I'll put more garlic there. I'm gonna put that one in the fridge. Savna, let go of the rain.
Move them. Move your leg. Just put them straight. Move them, my God. And then do your hands like that. You by yourself, I could go.
Just look at our tribe. Leona, are you standing there? Is it deep? Are you standing? Huh? You stand? Stand. Are you standing there?
That one, like, not good. I'm not out of time. You grab your head off me. Oh my God, I keep open my eye on the week.
You don't like the sun?
That's beautiful though.
It is.
That'd be a good picture. I'm a good holiday picture. From here in the water. I'm telling you, that's a good picture.